Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove CAN gateway module and where it's located on Volkswagen Golf MK5, MK6, Jetta, Passat B6 and many other models in just 7 simple steps. But first, lift the bonnet and disconnect the negative terminal from the car battery using a 10mm socket. You have to know that CAN gateway module is located on the driver's side above the pedals, which is indicated with a red arrow. So to reach the gateway module, you have to remove some parts. We will use a bit-torque set like this. You can find a bit-torque set like this in the video description below. So we will use a 20 bit-torques. You can slide the driver's seat all the way back to create more space. Then we remove those 3 screws using a T20 Torx. Then remove the plastic panel. And if you want to take it out, you have to remove also the OBD to diagnose port using a flat blade screwdriver. So you have to insert the screwdriver, the flat blade screwdriver, through that holes. There's 3 holes, one over there, and you have to push with a screwdriver inside, push it inside, and then push also on the other 2 holes. And that's it. The OBD to diagnose port is out. So let me show you what I have done. So I press the flat blade screwdriver on that tab to remove it. And also on the other side there's 2 tabs that you have to push it inside to remove it. This is the plastic panel. It has only 3 screws. Then remove the dash storage from the left side only if you want to remove the air footwell distribution plastic thingy. So to remove the storage, you just have to press inside on those plastic parts and then take the storage out. So you have to use the finger to press inside that plastic and then take the storage out. And then pull it out. It's very easy to remove it. Now you can see the screw. So this is the air footwell distribution plastic thingy. So it has only one screw, a T20 screw, so you have to remove it. So remove the footwell distribution plastic thingy by removing a single T20 screw, which is indicated with that red arrow. So this is the plastic part that was removed. And now you can see the CAN gateway module. So first disconnect the cables of the CAN gateway module. Is that plastic part, is that blue part. So you have to press on that tab to remove it. And then you have to squeeze those two tabs to remove the gateway module. So those are the tabs, and you just have to squeeze it to remove it. squeeze and pull that out. It's easy to remove it. So this is the module, the gateway module. It has also a serial number. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, or send me a super thanks. Thank you for watching.